Hello, everybody, and welcome to Tax Robot. Thank you so much for signing up to be a Tax Robot affiliate. So, in this video, I want to explain the process of sending a client referral over to Tax Robot as an affiliate. Now, before you get started here, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to our Tax Robot affiliates page, and that's just going to be taxrobot.com/taxrobot dash affiliate dash training dash module and download all of the training materials. And the first thing is going to be the Tax Robot affiliate cheat sheet. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you several qualification questions that you can ask to the client to determine if they qualify for the R&D tax credit. It's also going to give you a lot of the common objections that might come up in your discussion and how you overcome those objections. Now, the second thing is the Tax Robot R&D Tax Credit 101 ebook. And that is a little bit more information about the R&D tax credit. If you do want to have more background knowledge about how the tax credit works and, what qualifies for the tax credit, that is also great reading material there. So definitely go to the landing page and download all of that information. Now, at the bottom of that landing page there, you are going to see a button to apply to be affiliate. Once you do fill out that contact form and apply, you are going to be emailed with your affiliate ID. And your affiliate ID is going to be how you send all of your referrals over to Tax Robot. Now, in the email, you're going to have what we call a universal link. And that is the page we're on right now. And that universal link is connected directly to Orchid's account for all of the Orchid affiliate referrals. So all you need to do is either directly go to that universal link yourself or have any of your client referrals if you want them to fill out the form directly. We typically do recommend maybe collecting the information from the client or, getting on a call with them and then entering it for them, but perfectly fine if you'd like for them to fill it out themselves. And what you're going to do when you get to this page is going to say affiliate ID. To access the form, please enter your affiliate ID in the box below. So we're just going to copy and paste whatever our affiliate ID is. And then we click submit. And then essentially, it's going to take us through the collection of information about the taxpayer so that can deliver it to us over at Tax Robot so we can get that client information. We can determine if, yes, they truly do qualify for the R&D tax credit, and then we can create a client file for them in the software and can complete the process there. So we'll just walk through it here so we can see the information. Enter their phone number. Then once we filled that out, we click next. We'll see company name. We'll collect a founding date here. The industry that the company is in. The year they began their development activities, so what year they started to work on their product or process or, whatever they're developing, and the first year that they began making revenue, as well as if they're projected to make more than $5 million in the most recent taxable year. Now, some of these questions we're asking to determine what type of tax credit they qualify. And this is an important point because when you're speaking to clients, and you'll see this on the Tax Robot affiliate cheat sheet, not every client is going to be making revenue. So they might think that, hey, I'm not making any revenue. I'm not paying any federal income taxes. I don't need an R&D tax credit, but that couldn't be further from the truth. If they are a company that's within their first 5 years of making revenue and they're making less than $5 million in gross receipts in the most recent taxable year, instead of taking the R&D tax credit against their federal income taxable liability, they can claim it against their payroll taxes. So even if they don't have federal income tax, if they have W-2 employees, they're likely still paying employee payroll taxes, and we can use the R&D tax credit against that, and that's why we're collecting some of this initial information here. Now we'll just go ahead and select entity type. self-explanatory, as well as if the shareholders own any other companies. And then here, we're going into specifications. Now, right now, we're starting to build the baseline of qualification for this client. Remember that not every single business is going to qualify for the R&D tax credit. In order to qualify, they need to be completing what we call technical problem solving. So using any type of knowledge based in the sciences to solve technical problems there. And this page right here is going to help us determine that. So let's say that in our example here, we're working with the software developer, right? So pretty simple. What they're developing is going to be software. Software is computer science. Software increases performance. Software is design related. And developers use trial and error in order to develop their software. Okay, we filled that out. And then also, how many projects do they complete in a year? Let's say that they do 5 to 10 projects a year. Pretty simple. Just a few quick questions about the type of work that they're doing. And we are almost done here. The last thing is contracts and rights here. That's another prong to qualification here. We want to make sure that not only the technical activity that they're working on qualifies, but the legal agreement does as well. So we want to make sure that they own substantial rights to their research, and they're either not doing work under contract for an outside party, or if they are, they're doing it under a qualified fee arrangement, such as lump sum / fixed fee. So that's why we're asking these questions here. Once we're done with this section, we press next. Now, if you have any files that you've collected from the client, you can go ahead and upload those here. You don't need to collect any information from the client, but if you did collect any tax returns, payroll information, any documentation that you believe will be helpful for us in determining the qualification for the client or assisting them with their R&D tax credit, you can just go ahead and drag and drop those files in this box right here, and we'll be able to receive that on our end. Then you press next here. All you need to do is review this information and you click send. And that's it. It's going to say that the form was successfully submitted. Now, when that happens, you are going to get an email that confirms that you have made this submission. So the email essentially is going to say, hey, we're pleased to confirm that we've saved a new R&D tax credit application in our system, which has been assigned to your affiliate account. So the good thing about using this form is you are always going to get email updates. You're going to get an email update once a submission has been accepted that has been tied to your affiliate ID. And then also when we've made a determination on that affiliate submission there. So if the client does qualify and we're able to take them on as a client and we've accepted that submission, you will get an email notification for that. If we review the information and we've determined that the client is not qualified, you will also get an email notification for that. So you will always be kept apprised on any updates regarding any of the client submissions that you have made through the affiliate portal there. So that's it. That's information on how to go ahead and give us those affiliate referrals there and how to track that information. Of course, you are going to be getting, those email confirmation messages. So in summary here, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go and review that Tax Robot affiliate cheat sheet. Look at those qualifications and look at those objections. That's going to help you start having conversations with potential clients here. If you have the time as well, the R&D Tax Credit 101 ebook is going to give you a wealth of knowledge that's going to help you have better, more targeted conversations with these potential clients for the R&D tax credit. And here, the affiliate portal, that is how you're going to send these submissions over to us. You type in that universal link there. And then once you get to the universal link, you just enter your affiliate ID and enter in that information and hit submit, and we will receive those submissions on our end.